Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. If you're making Instagram Reels, you already know that using trending sounds is the fastest way to reach more people. In today's video, I will show you the 5 best ways to find trending Instagram sounds. So yes, without any further ado, let's jump right in. First, open your Instagram and go to the Explore page. And here, watch Reels. Let me go with this one. Now tap on the sound at the bottom. Right now, if you see a sound with an arrow pointing up next to it, that means it's trending right now. That's one way of finding trending Instagram sounds. Second, just scroll through Reels feed. If you notice the same sound being used over and over again, it's a good sign that the sound is trending. Third step is whenever you find a sound you like, tap the sound name at the bottom and hit save audio. Later, you can find all your saved videos by going to your profile. Tap on the menu icon at the top right, go to saved, and then audio. Fourth way is to follow the Instagram creators account because they regularly share updates about trending sounds and tips to help creators grow. Fifth way can be to check what's trending on TikTok because most viral sounds start there before moving to Instagram. So getting in early can give you an advantage. And that's it. Those are the 5 best ways to find trending Instagram sounds. Explore page, Reels feed, save audio, follow Instagram creators, and check TikTok. Try these out to boost your Reels reach. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more social media tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.